Greetings, my friends. Michael Parrish with CosmicCuts.com here. What a beautiful day it is to talk about Libra. Libras are incredible, powerful creatures, always in search of justice, search of truth, in search of getting things done. Not a lot of wasted time with Libras, so let's not waste any more time. Let's crack into it and see the beautiful beauties, the treasures that you receive in the Libra Healing Gemstone Collection bag from CosmicCuts.com, baby. Let's go. Yes, indeed, Libra. What a beautiful day to be alive, because today is the day that you get your Healing Gemstone Collection bag from CosmicCuts.com in the mail. Let's crack them open. Look at these beauties. It comes with everything you see here. It comes with this nice bag so you can carry them to and fro. It comes with these 5 beautiful, high-quality healing gemstones created by Mother Nature herself. Amazing stuff. It comes with this info card as well. It's absolutely beautiful. It says, Libras are charming, elegant, and liked by everyone. They love beauty, harmony, and art, and relationships are very important to them. They are natural peacemakers, helping to bring harmony to difficult situations. They are positive, happy people, and they want to make everyone else happy. Isn't that just beautiful? Libras are great people to have in your lives. Now, without any further ado, let's crack into the beautiful healing gemstones that you'll receive from CosmicCuts.com. That Labradorite, which has got this incredible greenish bluish luminescent hue when the light hits just right. Truly nothing like Labradorite. It's going to be the gemstone of magic, gemstone of confidence. It's going to protect the Libra against negativity, and it's going to promote self-discovery. A lot of times the Libra is so busy doing for others, they don't have the time to look inside, which is very, very important. We got black tourmaline, which is a very protective crystal. It's going to protect the Libra against dark energy, dark entities. It's also going to promote self-confidence, and it's going to empower the Libra with positivity. What else? So many beautiful gemstones to play with. What a great day to be alive. We got Tiger's Eye, which also has an incredible luminescent hue. Nice, beautiful, bright yellow, orange, and brown. Every color of that spectrum is present when the light hits just right. Incredible stuff. Tiger's Eye is going to be the gemstone of physical fitness. It's going to promote good choices in the life of the Libra, and it's a gemstone of motivation as well. It's going to help that Libra get up out of bed and achieve everything that they want to achieve. Incredible stuff. We got Emerald. Yeah, baby. Emerald's going to soothe the emotions of the Libra. It's going to help them overcome negativity. And it's going to promote hope and growth in their lives. And of course, we got Citrine. Citrine is going to improve their problem-solving skills, improve the physical energy of the Libra. And it's going to rejuvenate the aura, the mind, body, and spirit of the Libra. So, my friends, my Libra friends, keep it strong, keep it balanced.